Israel arrests Palestine's Jerusalem Affairs Minister. At least 10 civilians killed in terror attack in North Syria. Opposition groups in Syria respond to regime attacks. US posts back to military bases in northeast Syria. Russian negotiator recounts road to peace in Syria. Talks on Syrian constitutional community going well. Turkey senior Daesh operative among 7 arrested. 3 terrorists neutralized in northeast Turkey. Turkey condemns deadly PKK terror attack in Syria. Turkey wall against terror for Europe, Defense Ministry. Protests that make or break governments in Pakistan. Border crossing opening unlikely to tow Pak-India ties.